This is part of a series of videos on how to use the Waymap app. In this video, we will discuss orientation and starting your journey. This video is narrated, and everything shown in the video is described by the narrator. And in this video, the following will be explained. What is orientation and why is it important? How best to orient yourself with some examples. Transitioning between outdoor and indoor areas. And what to do if the instructions are not making sense. Firstly, what is orientation and why is it important? Orientation is a process as to how users position themselves immediately before the start of a route or a journey. The orientation is the location of the user, as well as the direction they are facing before commencing on a route or a journey. Generally, a single direction walking route from place A to place B would have one orientation at the start. And a full journey route, again from place A to place B, but this time involving a number of transfers, may have multiple orientations depending on the number of transfers. It is very important to have the correct orientation at the start of a journey, otherwise the system will not function properly and will likely result in errors, despite the system's ability to correct itself. To orient yourself appropriately, please listen carefully to the initial orientation instruction, which comes at the beginning of any route or journey. Orientation instructions are usually provided close to known landmarks or amenities. Within stations, they could be bus bay poles or signs, station entrances, ticket machines, emergency telephones, points on the platform, etc. Here are some examples of orientation instructions that you will receive when using the Waymap app. Orientation example 1. Near bus bays. Stand near the bus bay C with your back to the curb and prepare for your first instruction. Orientation example 2. At the station entrance. Enter the station and orient yourself with your back towards the entrance near North Sycamore Street and prepare for your first instruction. Orientation example 3. Near ticket machines. Orientate yourself with your back towards the ticket machines and prepare for your first instruction. Orientation example 4. On the platform. Stand on the platform and turn so the rail tracks are safely on your left and prepare for your first instruction. When you are transitioning from outdoors to indoors, such as when entering a train station, the application will instruct you to orient just inside the closest entrance to the premise. Once you've oriented, as shown in the previous examples, you can resume your journey to the next leg and to your final destination. There is no need for a stopover when going from indoors to outdoors, and hence, no need for further orientation. You can continue to walk and follow the instructions as they are triggered. What if the instructions are not making sense? Any errors in the initial orientation can result in further errors along the way, even after the system tries to correct itself. If the instructions are not coherent with your surroundings and current path, then please stop the current journey. Then, in the Journey Search tab, search for the relevant station and find the nearby amenity, such as ticket machine, entrance, platform, etc., and start the journey again. If the app is suggesting a route which is not possible, i.e. the escalator or elevators are closed, then follow the previous step again after configuring your routing options from the settings. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Waymap. You can find the rest of the videos in this series on our YouTube channel.